Hello students, minasan konnichiwa. Today we're going to learn about foods in Japan. The word for food in Japanese is tabemono. Tabemono. Now, let's have a look at some different types of Japanese foods. First up we have sushi. Sushi. Many of you will have seen or heard of sushi before. Sushi is very popular in Australia, and you will often find sushi shops in most places. Sushi is made with rice that is made sticky from rice wine vinegar so it doesn't fall apart. Then it is usually rolled up into a roll, wrapped in dried sheets of seaweed. There are lots of different types of sushi, from chicken and meat to prawn and seafood. You can also get sushi with raw meat and fish, which we will learn about later. Here in this picture there are different types of sushi. There's some sushi with egg, raw fish eggs, I think that's eel, prawn, and so on. Next we have natto. Natto. Natto is made from fermented soybeans and has a very unique smell. Do you think it looks tasty or disgusting? Natto is often eaten for breakfast in Japan with rice. Not everybody likes natto, and it is often compared with Australian Vegemite. You either like it or you don't. Natto is very sticky and stringy, as you can see here in the picture. Next up, we have Japanese curry. Japanese curry is made with roux, which is similar to a stock cube. It is brown in color and ranges from sweet flavors to very spicy flavors. Often served with rice, Japanese curry usually has chicken or beef in it, with onion, carrot, and potatoes. Japanese curry is one of my favorite foods. Next up, we have katsu. Katsu. Chicken or pork katsu is basically the same as chicken schnitzel. Deep fried chicken or pork is crumbed and deep fried until a golden brown. It is then usually sliced up into bite-sized pizzas. Like in this photo, so they can be eaten easily with chopsticks and served with rice and cabbage. Katsu pieces are sometimes rolled into sushi rolls. Also in Japan you can get katsu kare, which is exactly as it sounds, katsu with Japanese curry on top. Tofu. Tofu. Some of you may have seen or eaten tofu before. Readily available in Australian supermarkets, tofu is Japanese and is made from bean curd. It has a unique taste or not much taste at all, but has a nice texture and ranges from softer tofu to harder tofu. Tempura. 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 Tempura is usually meat, seafood, or vegetables, which is covered in a batter and then deep fried. You can basically use any kind of vegetable, and it is delicious. Prawns and squid are other popular types of tempura seafood. Here we have carrot, beans, prawns, and maybe eggplant. Very popular in Japan. Next we have ramen. Ramen. Ramen is probably one of the most popular foods in Japan. A long skinny noodle, sometimes handmade, are served in a hot soup, which is then topped with vegetables and meat in a big bowl. There are different types of popular ramen soup flavors, for example miso, which we will learn about soon. Some ramen shops are so popular, customers will wait outside in the cold for hours just to eat that particular shop's ramen. Here we can see a common serving of a bowl of ramen with pork, a boiled egg cut in half, and some other vegetables. Very delicious and very popular. Next we have okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is another very popular type of Japanese food. The name is derived from the word okonomi, meaning what you like or what you want, and yaki, meaning grilled or cooked. Similar to a pancake, and sometimes called Japanese pizza, it is made just like a pancake, with batter. Sometimes served with fried noodles inside the pancake, vegetables, meat, and eggs. And you usually can cook it yourself in restaurants in Japan, or it is made on a hot plate right in front of you by the chef. Once cooked, okonomiyaki is served with sauce or mayonnaise on top, like here in this picture. Miso shiru or miso soup. Shiru means soup. Miso soup is a staple in Japanese diets, usually served with every meal, from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Miso soup is made with hot water and miso paste. Miso is a paste made from fermented soybeans and salt. Miso soup usually has seaweed and tofu in the soup, usually very cheap in most restaurants, or comes with a meal every time. Japanese people often drink the soup as they eat the other parts of their meal, like a drink, to wash it all down. Next we have udon noodles. Udon noodles are long and fat, different to the skinny noodles of ramen. Udon noodles are too, sometimes handmade and very popular in Japan. Usually served in a soup that is made from soy sauce and mirin, which is Japanese rice wine vinegar. Sometimes udon is topped with meat and vegetables. Sashimi, which is raw meat or fish, sliced very thinly. It is considered a delicacy, and not everyone likes sashimi. Tuna sashimi is hugely popular in Japan, which you can see here in the top left hand corner, and can be very expensive. Other types are salmon, here in the bottom left, prawn, and other types of fish. Sashimi is often served as sushi, on top of a rice ball. Don't all these foods look delicious? I bet you all can't wait to try some Japanese foods for yourself. Here we have oishiso in Japanese. So oishi means delicious in Japanese. Oishiso means looks delicious. Some Japanese restaurants are like this picture. In the shop front window, there is plastic models of the foods and their menu. A waiter or waitress will come to the front door and all you have to do is point to which dish you would like to eat. Convenient, isn't it? Then, the dish is served exactly as in the plastic model. A little bit different to like here in McDonald's where the picture is often different to the burger that you get. Next, we have some types of Japanese fast food restaurants. First, we have Yoshinoya. Yoshinoya, which serves bowls of rice, usually topped with thinly sliced beef or pork, with your choice of vegetables and toppings. It is delicious, really cheap, and a big bowl you can get for around $5. This is very popular in Japan. Next we have Moss Burger, and Moss Burger is Japan's fast food burger restaurant. Don't be fooled by the name. Moss Burger is tasty, popular, and you can find outlets just about anywhere in Japanese cities. Not too different from McDonald's, burgers are sold with fries and a drink. You can actually get burgers there where the bun is not bread, it's made of rice stuck together. Interesting. Also readily available in Japan are McDonald's and KFC. Pronounce McDonaldo. McDonaldo. A little bit hard to say. So Japanese people usually shorten it to Makku, Makku, which we see here in the top right hand corner. KFC or Kentucky instead of Kentucky Fried Chicken is also popular in Japan. McDonald's and KFC both have similar menus as here in Australia, and it is easy to order your favourite food, even in English. McDonald's and KFC in Japan are everywhere, just like here in Australia. Very popular and probably even cheaper than here in Australia as well. Finally, this is a picture of a traditional Japanese restaurant setting. Not all Japanese restaurants are like this, but similar, in the way that the customer sits on the floor on a cushion, or zabuton, with their feet underneath the table in a footwell, as you can see here under the table. Traditional restaurants like this one are usually a little more expensive and serve very traditional Japanese foods only. I hope you have enjoyed your online lesson on Japanese foods and food in Japan. Maybe sometime soon you will be able to try some of these foods or even visit Japan yourself. Yoku dekimashita. Well done.